Sai Ram children. Students, in our last class, we have completed chapter number 5, multiplication. Today, we are going to start the next chapter, which is chapter number 6, division. This chapter is quite interesting and you will love it. Now, the topics that we are going to cover in this chapter is sharing by grouping, division as repeated subtraction, properties of division, multiplication and division facts, long division, division of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, solving word problems. So all these are the topics that we are going to see in this chapter. So children, now let us begin. Here I have 12 cookies, children, and I want to give it to 3 of my students, Soham, Tanmay and Sia. So how will I give them? I have to distribute them, right? So 1 I will give to Soham, 1 to Tanmay, 1 to Sia. Then I will continue distributing them until all the cookies are over. See children, all the cookies are over, right? Soham got 4 cookies, Tanmay also got 4 cookies and Sia also got 4 cookies. Children, what does it mean? It means that when we distribute any item, anything, any quantity into equal parts, that is known as division. What we have done here? We have divided all the cookies into equal parts. So, we can say division means distributing equal quantities in equal groups. Division means dividing or distributing any quantity, okay, any item or any number, anything into equal groups. Okay, it is denoted by symbol this. Okay, children, you can see the symbol here. It is known as division symbol. Okay, it is 1 dash and then 2 dots. Okay, up and down. So children, the number to be divided is the dividend. The number by which we divide is the divisor, and the answer we get is the quotient. All these 3 terms, dividend, divisor and quotient, are very important. Children, the example that I have given you, okay, about the cookies, right? Now in that, what will be my dividend? The number to be divided, that is total number of cookies. How many cookies are there? 12. So 12 is the dividend. Okay, so the number to be divided is the dividend. Then after that we have grouped them, correct? In how many groups? 3 groups. So 3 groups which are formed are known as divisor, or 3 is the divisor. And in each group, how many cookies do we have? We have 4 cookies. So 4 is the answer or the quotient. So it can be written as this way: 12 divided by, this is the division sign, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay, 12 is the dividend, the number to be divided. Number 3 is the divisor, the number by which we divide, and 4 is the quotient or the answer that we have got. Okay, children, it is also known as sharing by grouping, because we are sharing the things and we are putting them into equal groups. The word equal is very important because we are putting them into equal groups. Okay. Now children, you are going to take out your textbook and we are going to start with exercise 6.1. Okay. So take out your textbook. The first one we have to do in the textbook itself. So children, our first question is draw and divide 20 oranges equally in 5 plates. So here we have 20 oranges and we have to put them into 5 plates. Okay, and we have to put them equally. Nobody should get extra. Okay, or no extra should be there in any of the plates. So we are going to start drawing. We'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I have divided 20 oranges equally in all the 5 plates, correct? So in each plate, how many oranges are there? There are 4 oranges. So 4 is our answer. So what we will write here? There will be 4 oranges in each plate. So what is my dividend here? 20, correct? What is my divisor? 5. And what is my quotient? It is 4. Okay, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Note it down children in your textbook. Okay. Next one is decorate 27 candles equally on 9 cakes. So here we have here yummy cakes, correct? We have to decorate them, and how many candles are there? 27 candles are there. So let us start decorating them. Okay, I will start from the first cake. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So my 27 candles are over and I have decorated them into 9 cakes, right? And in one cake, in each of the cake, okay, how many candles do we have? 3. Okay, so decorate children properly. Next question is question number 3. Enclose the 12 cricket balls in boxes such that there are 3 balls in each box. How many boxes have you formed? Now we have to form boxes, okay, in such a way that in one box there are 3 balls. There are total 12 balls are given in front of us and we have to form the boxes. Okay, so let us do it. See here 1, 2 and 3 balls in one box. Okay, then more 3 in one more box, the next 3 in one more box, and the next 3. Okay, so now there are no balls here left. So children, in one box, or how many boxes have we formed? 4 boxes, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So there will be 4 boxes. So first I have to write the dividend, that is 12 divided by 3 balls each, correct, in groups. See, in all the groups or in all the boxes there are 3 balls. So that is our divisor, is equal to how many boxes are formed? 4. So 4 is my quotient or my answer. Okay. Note down, children, in your textbook. Now question number 4. Fill in the boxes. Part A is done for you. Okay. Now let us see what A is. 15 hair clips in all. We have 15 hair clips. 3 groups of girls. So 5 clips in each group. How do we get 5? Let us see. For example, how many groups of girls are there, children? 3 groups are there. Okay. So for example, this is first group, second group and third group. Okay. And there are 15 hair clips. So that means we have to distribute this 15 hair clips to each group. Okay. So let us distribute. Okay. So for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now can you see, children, in one group how many hair clips are there? There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got the answer here. 5 clips in each group. Okay. So finally how do we write? 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Got it? Now let us check the B1. 24 video games in all. 6 groups. Okay. So we have to find dash video games in each group. So imagine there are 24 video games. Okay. And how many groups are there? 6 groups. So let us make 6 groups. Okay. This is first group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth and the sixth one. Okay. Now for video games, I just assume that I am just making a square there. Okay, or rectangle. So 24 video games are there. So we have to distribute them. So let us distribute. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Okay. So that means I have distributed 24 video games among 6 groups. In each group, children, how many video games are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 video games. Correct? So my answer is 4. 4 video games in each group. How I will write here? 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Okay. Children, note down in your textbook. Children, your last question, the C and the D one is your homework. Okay. You are going to divide into equal groups and you are going to find the answer. Got it? Thank you, children. Have a good day.